Hello everyone, I'm Anastasia from Lilac Premium Leather Care. I want to show you how to take care of your bag that is gonna last for a very long time. And today we have this beautiful Dior Diorissima bag in the powder pink color. I'm like most of other girls, like light color handbags, but everybody knows it's not practical at all. Dust, dirt, water, makeup, rubbing against the clothing, stains from hardware. This is the biggest enemies of light leather. You may ask, what should I do? How can I protect my bag? For this kind of cases, I'm recommending to use Lilac Premium Leather Bag Cleaner. This cleaner is perfect for grain and smooth leather handbags. It's clean safely and reliable. We are not using any aggressive additives which could harm the leather. Also, this cleaner has very light, fresh smell, and the main thing, super easy to use. You don't need any water, just a cleaner and microfiber cloth. Here you can see a little bit closer how my bag looks before cleaning. The leather becomes more gray after daily using. Also some stains from hardware and rubbing against the clothing and some regular dirt. So step number 1, spray cleaner on microfiber cloth, not directly on the bag, because the leather doesn't like to be wet. It can lead to deformation. So with smooth circular motions we start cleaning our bag. Pay attention to your tools. It's very important to choose the proper microfiber cloth. It should be not too harsh, it could damage your leather, but also not too soft. These types of wipes I usually use to absorb the water. Now our bag is completely clean and we're leaving to dry for 10-15 minutes. If necessary, repeat the process after drying. So step number 2, it's Lilac Premium Leather Bag Conditioner. The conditioner perfectly moisturizing the leather, doesn't leave any greasy stains or shine, has very nice light smell and protecting from the cracking and sunlight. Apply conditioner with microfiber cloth and leave it to dry for 10-15 minutes. After drying, polish with microfiber cloth for more shine. Here we go! Our bag is perfectly cleaned and protected. All dirt is gone and leather become more bright. Marks from hardware and stains on the back side are removed. Our bag will look like new again. That's it! I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just leave a comment and we're gonna talk about it next time. See you.